Hey, it's Scott here coming to you with another video here on Daily Income Method. So with Daily Income Method it's a affiliate site. So what we do is we resell all these products, and I'm going to go over the access of the products, what they are, and how you can use them without showing your face. But first I want to make sure you like this video and smash the subscribe button. So without further ado, let me take you through the Daily Income Method products. So right here you have the products, Daily Income Method. Let me zoom in. So here are the products right here. So we're going to start with this one here. As you can see, Daily Income Method, your A to Z marketing system. So we're going to come into it. It's a whole entire course. It's step by step. Okay, so welcome to the Daily Income Method. Here's our game plan, module 1, getting ready, endless prospects, YouTube videos, get lead sale now or what, A to Z walkthrough, bonus worksheets, daily income masterclass. I mean, the price that we're paying, you're getting over $1,000 worth of value in here. So let's go back and I'll show you the next product. All right, let's go back. I'll show you the next one right here. So we're gonna go back to products and here. Okay, so now these are faceless reels. So what these are, this is what you post on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever social media you like. If you're not on social media, you don't have to show your face. You can create a new account, and what you can do is you can use these videos here, and you come into here. Mac explains everything. Everything's explained by video, step by step. You're gonna click here to download the faceless reels, and what happens is it takes you over to all these reels that you can use. Okay, all these reels that you can use. And let me zoom in a little bit here for you, and you can see luxury picks, everything, over 100,000 videos, and these are all eye-catching videos. All you need to do is post consistently 1 to 3 times a day. That's it. It only takes an hour a day. So that's that product. We're going to head back over to products right here, and we're going to go back to products right here. If you want to access your products here, we go here, boom. So that was the reels. Now this is really cool. This is a viral script generator. So what this does is it creates scripts for you without you even doing anything. Okay, so you have your offer type, all these offer types. So traffic generation, network marketing, high ticket commissions. You have all different stuff. What I would use for this is not domain flipping, general, blue ocean opportunity, MLM, traffic generation system, organic lead, because you don't have to pay for ads here, folks. You don't have to pay for ads. Now, what's the pain point? It's like what people see, what they want. Are you stuck in your 9 to 5? Okay, burned up line, no following, starting from 0. That's what this is for. You don't need a following or an email. You don't need an email list. Okay, I'm just going through this quickly. You can have a topic, full call to action, and what it does, I can generate a reel, or you can generate a photo post. Okay, so that's that one. So we'll go back over to access products. Now this is worth probably close to $2,000. So right now we're gonna go back Facebook growth. If you want to grow your Facebook, it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so right here Matt goes through everything, how he monetized Facebook, not even showing his face, as you can see. Click here to download the Facebook profile guide. This will show you exactly step by step how to grow your Facebook profile using the tools here without showing your face. Okay, so we'll go back. That's that one. There's more, folks. There is more. AI Mastery. This is a class here that shows you if you want to clone yourself, you can with AI, and it walks you step by step. It's a full training to how to do this. So much value in this system. Crazy amount of value. All right. And then posting memes. Now, what we're doing is posting memes. This is a whole course, okay, on how you can take a Facebook page and monetize it, okay? Without showing your face, using this step by step, without any money. This is all free, okay? And you go through this and you consistently post memes, and they show you exactly where to find the memes that have high quality, and that's all you do there. Very simple laid out system, folks. Very simple laid out system. I'm gonna go back to Access Products here, and I'm gonna take you down to the last one. This is amazing right here. I'm gonna this is the Black Book of email swipes, okay? You can click here to download the email swipe file. And folks, this is unbelievable amount of these are all proven email swipes, folks. Proven, okay? These are all proven email swipes, okay? So you come down here and we scroll down, and these are all emails that you can use, and they go on. And as you can see, my cursor on the side here. So, so that's it, folks. That is daily income method. So be sure to like this video. The link for this system is in my bio of when you follow me on, when you subscribe to my channel. It's also in the description of this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Be sure to look this over thoroughly and take action. Join the team, connect with me, and let's rock and roll.